Hello, listeners around the globe. This is your best selling loving author, Dr. Afshan Hashmi, and today I am going to share a very important news regarding which I read it in while doing a news search, and this came on Bloomberg.com, and it says new coronavirus test 10 times faster is FDA approved. And as you all know that I am RAG, and here is the pin of Regulatory Affairs Certified, and so I am always interested in what is going on because I am a FDA specialist, so FDA regulations specialist. So uh, I just read this news and I'm very excited, and I thought I will share it with my viewers. And here it is by Tim Lowe, and it is March 13, 2020, and 2:29 a.m. EDT, and it was updated at on March 13, 2020, 8:31 a.m. EDT, and it is in Bloomberg News. It is, and it says U.S. health regulators have approved a new coronavirus test that will speed up by tenfold the ability to test patients, helping solve a significant obstacle to American efforts to contain the virus. Some people, and this is my analysis of this thing. Some people, even I'm getting hate mails. I'm a diehard fan of President Trump, and I'm getting hate emails if I support President Trump, and that is not fair to me or to President Trump. President Trump and his administration is doing a phenomenal job of containing the coronavirus. I just love the efforts they are doing, and I am also a die-hard fan of President Trump, and I would request you all to vote for if you are an American citizen, and if you are listening this, please vote for President Trump in 2020. And President Trump has done so much regarding this coronavirus, and every day I hear a news propaganda against him. That is not fair to him. That is not fair to any American citizens. So the propaganda news people, please refrain from doing any fake news. I would request you that. And also, friends, like I'm getting hate mails for supporting President Trump, and this is not fair at all. And I wrote back to some people, and some people I will completely ignore, and nobody can discourage me to be a President Trump fan. This is my right, and I want to execute my First Amendment. And so now I will, after saying all this, I will continue with the news from Bloomberg. And here it says the Food and Drug Administration granted emergency use authorization to the test, which runs on Roche Holding AG's Cobas 6800/8800 system. The 8800 system is capable of testing 4,128 patients a day, and the 6800 version can test as many as 1,440. The tool also is available in Europe and countries that accept its CE marking for medical devices. Roche shares traded Rose shares traded at 11% higher at 1:29 p.m. in Zurich, the steepest intraday increase since 1997. We are increasing the speed definitely by a factor of 10. Thomas Ischitsnecker, head of the Swiss drug makers diagnostic unit, said in an interview. What a beautiful news it is. Testing is crucial to stem the spread of COVID 19 because it allows healthcare workers to identify the infected and quarantine them even if they are not experiencing many symptoms. That can potentially reduce the overall number of infections and buy time for drug makers to come up with better treatments and ultimately a vaccine. Thanks a lot, Rosh, for this and helping people with coronavirus. And thanks, listeners, for listening this. And this is my coronavirus briefing, as I promised you all that I will be giving coronavirus briefing. So be tuned for more briefings for Dr. Afshan Hashmi. And I want to tell you that I'm also a medical technologist licensed in clinical chemistry. So I am CASCP, and so my credentials are I'm PhD in biochemistry and I am CASCP as well as RAC. So I exactly know what they are talking about, and so I thought I will share it with you guys. Thanks a lot for listening, and cheers. And this is my hot tea, and now I will drink my hot tea, and cheers, and bye bye, friends, and love you all from Dr. Afshan Hashmi, best selling author, radio and TV personality, as well as a publishing consultant. And if you have writing a book or something, I can help you write a best selling book from concept development to the finished product. Thanks a lot and bye bye. And did you get a chance to read my two books here? The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India, as well as The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. And this was my second book where I talked about bioterrorism and how it can affect the lives of people. And both are bestsellers on Amazon. So please go and grab a copy wherever books are sold and read it if you haven't bought it. And if you have bought it, then please go and give me an honest review. Bye bye, friends, and cheers, and bye bye.